Welcome! This is a quick introduction to Australian Waterproofing Company. We are Melbourne's #1 choice for waterproofing. I am Gary, one of the waterproofing technicians from Australian Waterproofing Company. We provide friendly service, reliable advice and fast quotes. If you're looking for a highly experienced, qualified, professional waterproofing team of waterproofing technicians in the Melbourne area, our work radius is typically from Melbourne CBD and surrounding metro areas, so we have you covered. Our team has years of experience in completing waterproofing works for commercial, residential and civil projects. This includes new builds and renovations, remedial repair. We provide services to waterproof bathrooms, balconies, rooftops, retaining walls, basements, injection works and sprayed membrane systems. We understand that every project we work on is someone's investment, whether it is a domestic, commercial or civil project, and for that, we give our 100% on every project. We are proud to say that the Australian Waterproofing Company is one of the leading waterproofing contractors in Melbourne. We are equipped with highly qualified and trained waterproofing technicians. The latest in waterproofing equipment, our experts provide reliable services using quality products to suit the project with honest advice on waterproofing projects. Call or email us today. We are Melbourne's #1 trusted master applicators. Australian Waterproofing Company. You name it and we can waterproof it.